Hey guys, for today's video, I thought I would share with you one of my Flipfit boxes. I haven't done one in a while here on my channel, and I continually unbox them through the Flipfit app. So if you aren't following me on there, I'll leave my link down below for you. I'm going to leave a video linked down below if you're new to Flipfit. That'll just give you a little bit more information as to what it is. But basically, it's just a clothing app. It has like all these amazing brands on there. You can try anything on. You can see how others style it. You can vote on outfits, get credit for voting. They also don't have a styling fee, so you do put a $20 deposit down on the box for it to come. But if you end up not buying anything from the box, that $20 is refunded. You don't have to spend money if you don't want to. You can try the clothes on. If you end up not liking anything, you can send it all back. So if you're interested in it, I highly recommend it. I've been doing it for a while now. I have worked with them in the past, but this video I'm just doing on my own. I just thought it would be fun to kind of share with you that I'm still doing these unboxings and I'm still loving them. All shipping is free. There is a return shipping label in here, and I'll just stick it right here on the box and take it to the UPS store, and that's it. This is the price information, and then they also have the return shipping label in this little envelope. Everything just comes nicely wrapped in here, but I'm gonna go ahead and put this down here, otherwise it's just gonna be hard for me to share with you everything. So this is like that thick chain necklace. I've been seeing this a lot with turtlenecks. I think it's really pretty. I've never really been into the thicker chains like this, but I thought I would give it a try. This is the multi-layered chain choker from the brand 8 Other Reasons, and this is $28. Which, I mean, this feels pretty nice. Like, it doesn't feel like super cheap or anything. Definitely has some weight to it, and I think this would just look really pretty with like an emerald green turtleneck or something like that. I was really hoping that I got this in this box. I'm hoping I got the other part to it. This came as a set, so hopefully I'll have the other piece to this. This one just looked so comfortable, and I mean, the colors I was okay with. Like, I really liked them. This is the tie-dye hoodie from Frankie's Bikinis, size medium in pink, and this is $150. That's why. Okay, so the inside is really soft. Still, $150 for a sweatshirt. These are the joggers that go with it, and I just thought it was such a fun look. In the joggers, they gave me the size large, but in the sweater, they gave me the size medium. This complete set look. It's definitely a little bit outside of my style, but I think it's really cute, and I could see myself just chilling in the living room wearing something like this. The bottoms are very stretchy, so I was able to get in and out of these pretty easily, and they're almost just a little bit too short, but I think it still could work. The top is a little bit more of a crop style, so I almost would like it to be like more of an oversized sweatshirt, not so much cropped. Like, the fabric underneath is just incredibly soft. It's very cozy. I could see myself starting to get into stuff like this. Yeah, I think these are a flare style. I really do like the look of these. They have a lot of stretch, and I'm really beginning to like Just Black denim. I feel like their prices are pretty reasonable, and you get really good quality. But at the bottom of these flares, it has like that frayed style. These are the high-rise frayed hem kick flare jeans by Just Black Denim, size 31, and these are $55. I've been really getting back into those flares too. See how these would look without like any type of heel on, but I love how these fit, and I kept to a simple top because I wanted to keep the focus on the jeans. I'm really liking it. I like how there's so much flare on the bottom of these. I think they definitely look better with heels, but I don't feel like I need to be hiking them up or pulling them up or anything. Like, where they fall are where they need to fall, and it feels right. This is another pair of jeans, but it's a nice dark wash, and this is cut from the cloth, which I don't think I've ever tried any jeans from them. These have a lot of stretch, and it is a size 12. It's the high-rise Ellie flare. This just looks like a nice classic pair of flare jeans. These are $31. That is really good. I'm pleasantly surprised with that, so I'm gonna go try these on and see how I feel about them. I'm really liking this dark wash. slimming, and it probably has to do with it being a darker wash, but like, I mean, they're kind of like that bootleg, which I honestly think I would prefer something a little bit more dramatic. I think I'm really liking this dark wash again, and it really does make sense this time of year. The material is really soft, and I've never tried anything from this brand before, I don't think, and I'm really impressed, and the price was so reasonable too, so I'm definitely going to be considering these. I am really excited about this entire little package here. First, we have a velvet leopard print dress. I'm confused though, what's going on? I'll figure this out when I actually put it on because I'm so confused right now, I can't figure it out. I mean, it does look really short, but I think it'll be kind of like a fun, sexy date night look type of thing. Okay, so this is a velvet mini dress from Free People, and this is $59. I think this dress is probably just a little bit too short on me. I probably would stick to wearing tights with this, even though I am wearing high knee boots. So this is definitely a very sexy, different look for me. I really like the velvet. It's really pretty. And then this is how the back turned out. It actually isn't too bad at all. Just once you figure it out, like it just kind of loops around this part of the dress right here. And I really do like how it looks with this turtleneck underneath it. I think it just makes it a little bit more wearable for me. Next, we have this. I was really hoping that I would get this because I loved this green color. I remember putting this top in my closet because I loved how it looked layered. So this is a smocked crop top from Mink Pink. It's a size medium. It's got smock material in the back. I mean, it's a little bit off to wear right now, but I don't mind layering this stuff up, wearing it underneath jumpsuits and stuff. And this is $35. Really like this top a lot more than I was thinking. I was a little bit worried that this was going to be too tight right here, and it is very cropped, so I would definitely have to wear like high-waisted like I'm wearing today. I would recommend an adhesive bra or a strapless bra with this because it's definitely a little bit too difficult to wear with straps just because of how it cuts right here. I also wanted to mention that there is a zipper right here, and it goes all the way up, so it's really easy to get into. And then this is what the back looks like. It's almost giving me the illusion of a bodysuit, or at least the same look that you would get. And then the elastic does continue into the back, and I really like this square style in the back. I think it's very romantic. This top is a bodysuit, and I actually have been keeping my eye out for one because I don't own any. I have one that I bought from Stitch Fix, but I never wear it because it's just uncomfortable. It is a size medium. Typically I need a size large when we're talking about bodysuits, but we'll see. I'll try it on. This is the ribbed bodysuit in yellow, size medium, and this is $43, which once again is very reasonable. Oh, and it says that the retail on here is $88, so they've really cut back on the price, which is very impressive. I feel like they're doing a really good job with that. I'm gonna go try this on and hopefully it'll fit okay. Love this color, but as far as fit, it is just a little bit too small, so I would definitely need to size up, but other than that, like, I love it. The fabric is very stretchy, so it's very comfortable. I don't feel restricted at all. I feel like I can move around and I'm good. So this is what the back looks like, and I like this dip in the back. The ribbing on the shirt, it's so pretty. I love that, and I definitely want to get something like this. This is a dress, I believe. I think I put this in my box last minute, or at least in the closet. It has like the cut open on the side. It's another bodycon dress, but it's cut out on the side and it's got a good bow. So there's definitely a little bit of skin showing with this dress, but it's tasteful. I'm always open to trying new styles. It's a size large, and this is $35, which once again is very reasonable, and I think it's really good quality. It feels really nice. It's got a lot of stretch in it. dress definitely is a little bit different, but I really do like the idea. I like how it has like this bit of skin showing, and then you have like the tie right here. I'm actually not wearing any shapewear, and I think you do need to wear shapewear. I don't know. This is definitely more of a sexy dress, and I would definitely wear like some type of shawl over it or like a faux fur. Something dramatic probably. It's really growing on me, but I probably would go for black because black is more slimming. This is the last little package that we have in this box, and then I'll let you know what I decide to keep. I know what you're thinking. What am I gonna wear this to? But you know what? I will find something to wear this to. It's just so different and fun. I feel like I'm jumping onto the tie-dye trend like once everybody's kind of getting over it, you know? I'm late. But this is from Blank NYC. Size medium is their tie-dye fringe moto vegan leather jacket. And it is $74, which is really good because this is definitely good quality. Yeah, I really like this jacket. I love this fringe. I actually don't own a leather jacket, and of course I would go for something that's like totally out there. And as far as styling, like I really don't think it's too difficult to style as long as you just keep to solid colors. I'm definitely going to be coming up with different ideas on how to make this work, but I do think that I might end up keeping this one. This is the last thing in my box, and it is, am I gonna fit in these? These jeans are in the high-rise skinny jean from the brand Dr. Denim, size large, and these are $42. I could actually see a lot of you really liking these if you're needing like a pair of white jeans or something. $42 is really good. The jeans have a lot of stretch and they are more of a mid-rise on me. These ones definitely fit more like leggings. I do really like them. They're very long, which I was very impressed with because usually jeans like these are too short and I always have to get the long style, but these ones are perfect. So I feel like they even give you a little bit of a discount in the app, and then that's not including all the voting credit that you can get. So you can really get these for a great price. As far as what I'm going to keep, I might have to come back in a few days because I really liked a lot of this stuff. So it is a few days later, a few more days than I had planned on, but I'm going to share with you what I decided to keep from my Flipfit box. I did decide to keep this crazy, adorable, cute jacket. I just love all the rainbow effect that it has on me. I don't know what it is, but something about this jacket just makes me so happy. I have a lot that I want to do with this, and it's going to be so much fun. I don't know, just having something like this in my closet, it's so unique and different, and I feel like that's me. Like I'm so different than what is typically on YouTube, and I feel like that can be a good thing, so hopefully it's a good thing. All that to say that I love this and I decided to keep this jacket. The last thing that I decided to keep from this box were these flare jeans. The more I wore them, the more I just felt like I couldn't part from them. Really like these. Glad I decided to keep them because I've already worn them a couple days and it's been a few days since I've sat down to film this part of the video. But they're really comfortable to walk around in. A lot of stretch. They're very sturdy, and the price was unbeatable. It was so good. So those are the two things that I kept from my Flipfit box. If you've been interested in a lot of Free People stuff, Free People is hit or miss with me. Sometimes the quality is just amazing, and then sometimes their stuff is questionable. So questionable as in like the quality isn't that great. I know they have a lot of crop styles, which I'm hoping that they'll expand a little bit out of that, but I know crop styles are so trendy right now. But I think they just recently added makeup into the app, which is so cool. Like, I really want to give that a try. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up if you did, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye!